Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to talk about a very user-friendly pen pal app called Slowly. Actually, this application got popular recently because of the quarantine, and people used to get to use more social media application during the quarantine. There is a reason why it is called as Slowly. The normal process of sending a snail mail is writing a letter and going to the post office and sending it for the recent country or a city, and it gets a certain amount of time to deliver it for the recent country or city as well. So there will be a certain amount of time we have to wait until we receive a letter and sending a letter. As the same concept, Slowly app also use some time to deliver a letter and get a letter back. So it doesn't work as the instant messaging concept. This is a really good application for the people who already use snail mail pen paling because they like the concept of waiting for a letter. And it is a really good application for the people who live busy lives because they can wait for some time to deliver their letter or send a letter for the certain person. This app can view through your mobile app as well as in your web browser, in your laptop or any computer device.
The Slowly app easily from the Google Play Store and in Apple Store. First, you have to create your profile by adding your personal information, and you can create your avatar. You have to select the topics you are interested in, like languages, shopping, photography, and many more. This will be a very helpful for find mutual friends. And you can select the languages you know. It's really important to add a description about you, so it will help to let your friends to know about yourself. You can select friends from auto match. You can filter according to gender, age, language. Next friend finding option is explore manually. This friend list will filter according to your languages, interested topics that you have selected. But there is an option to filter this process as well according to gender, age and languages.
I'm continuing this app for about 6 to 8 months, and I have found many pen pals from different countries like India, Switzerland, US and UK. Some continue for a long time and some will not continue. It is the nature of having pen pals, but you can continue this app until you find your very best friend. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.